Okay, this is just an emergency video. Just an emergency video, because I mean I'm kind of like fed up with simple stuff. Replit, you got to do better. Replit, you have to do better. I'm sending people. I built my whole app on sending people to Replit because I don't think I had these problems at first. I mean, simple stuff like this was not an issue when I decided to use Replit. I keep telling it to make this a link to create an event. It keeps saying, yeah, okay, cool, yeah. This is simple. It shouldn't be this hard. Okay, look, Replit, fix this because it's going to turn people off when they see something simple as this can't be achieved. Make and tell me if I'm doing it wrong. Make these pricing cards link to the appropriate checkout links. Why is this so hard to do? What am I doing wrong? This is not the first time for me to turn on the camera and record it and hopefully get it back to you and magically see it corrected and not have this issue again. This is too simple. And again, I acknowledge maybe it's me. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. Maybe I'm not going to the right place to get it updated and do what it's supposed to do. But I don't see no other. I mean, this is pretty straightforward. It should be intuitive. There's kind of not many ways to do it. I refreshed. I'm at the home place in the environment. It just should go to the checkouts. The checkouts are here. I've used it before. Okay, to prove that the checkouts are here, if I sign in, oh man, it done broke the whole thing, man. Maybe it did work down here before they broke it. All right. All of the events are gone, but that's fine. If I sign in and let's see, preview. Nope. Let's go here. Okay, let's go here. Where's the upgrade? Man, I don't even know how to. I'm just too. Oh, there we go. Here's the upgrade. Now, if I go here, it works. So yes, I do have the checkout set up. It works from there. So why can't this connect me to the checkout without all of these issues? I just don't understand it. So, however this issue is addressed, this needs to be fixed. This is too simple, straightforward to be having to do this over and over and over and over again. I'm getting images. I'm pasting it in. All right, let me. I didn't include this because I just didn't think like you really need all of that. Ain't even nothing over there. All right, it's just not generating code because it's not even active. And maybe that's the problem. It's just design. It's not a actual card. But no, it looks like an actual card because look at how the highlighting is done. So I don't know, but nothing's clickable. So it does look good to include that. But hey, maybe that tells it that nothing is being initiated when you click in there. And so therefore something else must be done in order to fix the problem. I don't know. This is for you to figure out. Make the pricing on the home page link to the appropriate checkout. Why do I even have to tell you that? And you still didn't fix it. Checkout Plan Pro. Checkout Plan Planner. See, it's trying to go to the right place, but what's the problem? All they need to do is go to the same place as the other pricing page goes to. This will go, all right, They, it goes to create event and then goes, all right, I guess it wants me to create an account first. You don't have to create an account for the free tier, do you? I mean, that would be cool, but I don't think we got to set up like that because otherwise, well, no, I wouldn't have put it in Stripe, but I didn't sign up. There's currently accounts required even for a free tier. It's not going to create account. Saying it to create account. Then log in. Page not found because they don't have an account. I've been on since three something. Working on this since four something. And and get rid of the contact sales. I never asked that to be there. No one needs to be contacted. Just sign up. This is simple stuff. Very simple stuff. When I click on all of these, this is what I get. Okay, that goes to start creating. That goes to signing in, creating an account, signing in, create an account. Okay. So here is what I want to start for free. You have to create an account. If you go straight to a paid, how you gonna end up there though? Oh, if you go straight to a paid account tier from the home page, you don't have to create an account. We'll create it from the checkout. Does that make sense? Is that right? Then this button should go to create an account page. Just racking up charges, get nothing done. Well, I ain't gonna say nothing, but it's ridiculous. Just keep going over the same thing over and over and over and over again. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Does it work? No, that doesn't. You can do it if you know that you can. There's nothing to it. Hey, I can see the issue. The register schema requires last name to be at least one character. What are you talking about? There's nothing to it. Fail to execute fetch on Windows. Thank God. The best who's done it. Give me the details. Payday. They say. Street, which should be required to be a street. But we'll deal with that later. You know what I'm saying? If you don't give the street, how do you expect anybody to get there? So, you'll deal with that. Okay, I see you with the credits. Nobody. All right, sweet. Flyers. So I guess I'll upload a few templates. Choose honoree. Choose that guy. Let's let's remove the background. Oh my God! Now you done broke that. Oh, okay. No, my bad, my bad. Don't say it failed then. Just oh boy, the free tier don't get background removal. Future thinking. I know that I'm going to integrate AI. I know that I'm going to give the user the ability to change the color theme, especially for the presentation of the invitation when it goes out. So I said to make that error message, and I should have said all error messages, especially relating to upgrading for functionality, be the same color, but I didn't say that. So we'll see what happens. Quick actions. And by the way, this is an event app. So let's see if we can incorporate some more entertaining event-like features to entertain the user, I think. This shouldn't both be the same color. I like that it has the hover color effect, but this should be a color, not just sitting there white. You know, my opinion. What do y'all think? What do you think? Who do I know anyway? Welcome, John. No credits, free plan. So far, so good. One event. Okay. Yo, what up? Yo, what up? Don't destroy this groove. Don't disturb this groove. Upgrade card will now appear instead of the harsh red error message. Error message, that's crazy. An error message, dude? Come on, you don't need an error message for that. Am I loud in your ear? That's my bad. Just don't forget the user experience here. Um, what was I? Generate a flyer. Best who's done it. Generate a flyer. What's this gonna do, man? Oh, this should take me down there. All right, I gotta pause you. And we're back. No, let's see, where was I? I can see the background removal failed. No, man, what are you talking about? I'm on the free plan. Of course it failed. It didn't fail. It is not allowed in the free plan. Come on, man. Replik, call your mans. Call your man over here. About to get in trouble. Hey, look. Um, you guys, I don't know what's happening right now. Okay, watch it. What's with all these errors? Oh, remove background. Loading your page. All right, we gotta do all that. 0 background removal credits. Events 1. Free. Spread the word. All right, what else? I've been going for too long. What was I working on? What else needs to be done? Let's go to the home page. Man, wait a minute. The overlay is supposed to be gone. All right. I don't know what just happened. Let's see. So we got the start free. I think that's. Oh, what? I thought it just worked a minute ago. Start a new agent chat. Come on, man. Here we go again. That's another problem too, Replit. What's the deal? Why does this keep ending the chat without me ending the chat and I get a new agent? Oh, I got some of my history here. But most of the time, all the time that I know, when I get a new agent, 10:44, man, I gotta go. Oh, the chat history is going. 40 minutes. Man, this is what I'm saying, man. This is giving me a headache. But yeah, it is gone. Because I think that's the only option I had, right? Was to start a new chat, right? Add a database, add SMS message sending, check my app for bugs. Just trying to make me do something. And we ain't even save your changes before starting work. Save your changes. Please. Okay. At least that works. Goes to the pricing. And then what's going to happen? Go to the payment, okay? Well, then what's the problem we've been having then? Free? All right. That's. Come on, man. I need this at least to work so that I can send it off for someone to use. All right? Can you help me out here? Not sponsored. Felt like a commercial, unauthorized commercial. Get started with birthday. Where does that go? Okay, default to the. Okay, I like it. Birthday plan, payments. What is this, man? And it says try the free version instead. You can do it, and I know that you can. There's nothing to it. Rep and local all systems set up. I don't know nothing about that. Oh, I guess the other one is Stripe. Hell, you need to do it, man. Let me understand the full authentication flow and then create a proper account creation process that integrates with your pricing plans. I can see that your application has a well-structured authentication system with both local auth and Replit auth. Currently, the pricing page redirects users to redirects users to the API login for the free plan. Based on your image and request, I understand you want users to go through a proper account creation process before they can access the plans. Let me modify the pricing page. Oh my God. See, this is what I'm talking about. It was already established with the other agent. For the paid plans, you create the account by paying for it. Now this agent is coming and changing it to create an account and then choose a plan. That's an extra unnecessary step. We could have created an account when they're paying for the plan. Come on, Replit, fix this. And they got you creating an account. Might as well leave it because who knows what's going to happen if I try to change it. Let me try the birthday plan. I want it to go straight. Well, forget it now. All right, what else? Man, get rid of this external page. I don't know what this means, external page. I don't know what this means, external page, but I want the overlay removed from the home page, which I thought was removed. So I don't know if this is the actual home page or something else. script. This use sales reference development banner that appears when viewing the app in development mode. Okay. All right. Now here's a, oh, wait, let me see. Can we create the free account? Mr. Free account setup. Let's see, can we use the same email? Oh, let's see. Email already exists. Okay, cool. It's not to do with. Don't ask. I have no idea. Wait a minute. Image. Oh, okay. Okay. This is what I supposed to have been checking. Upgrade for background removal. Maybe later. View pricing. Okay. There you go. One background removal. Complete purchase. This is what I'm meant to. Why is this here on birthday plan payment page? Will be implemented soon. Yeah, I'd say so. Try the free version instead. Ludicrous. I got 10 whole minutes. No, there's nothing in there. What are you doing? There's nothing in there. What are you doing? You're a tranquilitous? 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 You're a tranquilitous? What are you doing? You're not a tranquilitous. You're just pretending to be a tranquilitous. You should try another profession. The agent is ready. The agent is ready. Let's try to upgrade the plan. Let's try the birthday plan. Oh, wow. Well, it seems to be working fine. Let's check it out. Oh, it's changed the format. Interesting. Let's check it out. As long as it pays, it's okay. And it's not okay. Let's get this. Let's do it again. So that we can get this. What is it? Oh, they want me to. Okay. Let's save it, okay? You happy now? Now let's get this window in here. Fix this, man. Oh, that's when I go to process the payment. When I go to process payment from birthday plan, this happens. Implied, fix it. I gotta go get sunshine. Gotta go get some sunshine out here. What are they doing over here? Where'd it go? I can't. There we go. Osaka make request to U.S. Open fans for Coco golf matchup after apology. Since the claim he prevented him from being a part of it. Six Night did what? Industry leaders are seeking out on the P. Diddy trial. Trump announced his executive order plans on voter ID. Where we at? Oh, why do I feel like I need a seatbelt? uh, I got one free credit. Oh, the birthday plus. This is messy. Um, Something still failing. Birthday plus appear on two lines. Hey, this is a really big deal because if the whole site works in Spanish, that opens up a whole other market other than the U.S. Namely, this one. Oh, you're like, duh. It's just sinking in. Well, you can use the browser setting to convert any page to a different language, though. Maximize. I need to go back to a couple of different apps. Can you test the birthday payment flow? Yes, I can test the flow. Birthday plus. Wait, I got the plan. All right, let's see if it tells me I'm already on it. I shouldn't have to go all the way through this, but you say I'm on the plan already. Your card number is incomplete. This is a fail. All right, I wonder, is it only saying that because I'm already on the birthday plan? Oh, great news. I can see from the logs that the birthday payment is working perfectly. The payment intent was created successfully and the user was upgraded to the birthday plan plus. Look at your screenshot. I can see the issue you're referring to. The birthday plus text in the current plan section is displayed with an underscore. Yada, yada, yada. Gift, registry, and potluck. That must be implemented. But for now, let's just take it off while we work on it. Let me see this. Okay, we're still getting the error. We have to wait now. Now the question is it because I'm already in the birthday plan? But I think the first time it happened, I wasn't in it yet. So let's try to upgrade the plan to something else and see what happens. Man, oh my God. I thought it was just the birthday that had that. Oh, I didn't send that yet. I can see the payment issue. Hey man, maybe I can go work on this at the beach. That would be ideal. That's what I need to wake me up. Replit. Yeah, if I long as I can log into my email. Can you please send us a better copy of the bill of lading? No, I can't. Actually, I really can't. Nowhere around that kind of mess. What is this, man? I didn't even know I had email over here. Where's my pencil? I got an iPhone pencil somewhere. Hey, man, I left the pencil. Pardon me. ACQ, A2, KP2. iPad not back up. Back that. Birthday plus. Let me try this. See if I get that error message. I'm already there. I should, as soon as I click on it, it should say you already have this plan. I'm already in birthday plan, birthday plus plan. When I click on birthday plus, I should get a message that says, this is your current plan. For each plan, when when the user clicks on the selection from pricing page, card for that plan, they should get a beautiful message, same color as the error message for free tier when they try to get background removed that says you already are on this, that says this is your current plan. then maybe I won't get this error message when I try to actually check out on that plan. Maybe I'll never get to the check out. You dig? You're absolutely right. The user is already on the birthday plan. So when they click on birthday plan from the pricing page, they should get a nice message saying, this is your current plan. Instead of trying to create another payment, this will prevent the error you're seeing. Let me add plan checking to the pricing page. Like, okay, again, this is one of those things. It's like, you need to be told that. I don't know. I mean, this seems for an AI, it should be just inherent logic. Am I off base here? All right, so we're gonna upgrade. Let's see what happens if we actually try to check out. Matter of fact, we ain't even checked behind it to see if they made these pricing tiers. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Just as I suspected. Oh, the immediate error has nothing. It doesn't matter whether you're on the plan already or not. There's an error. Now and it might be an ongoing loop, but I think it's going to actually put you in the plan, regardless. We'll see. So now, let's give it a little more time. Dios míos. I haven't taken a shower or anything. So I'd like to walk to the store before we get to 100 degrees. And then I'll still be sweaty when I come back. And then I'll take a shower. And then I'll probably, I was going to say take a nap. I would like to take a nap. But I'll probably then be energized and won't need to take a nap until later. In fact, it'll probably, this is your current plan? Okay. Okay. Now, when it lets me upgrade, do I get that error message? That's the question. Payment failed. Your card number is incomplete. Okay, good enough. Payment failed. It ain't really necessary to talk about some payment failed for the person to panic, though. Let's see. Do I need to capture this? Yep. Got you. So now I say, as it turns out, this error wasn't because the person was already on the plan. It is, in fact, an error. Turns out, what you thought I was exaggerating on how I was going to say it? Turns out this error message has nothing to do with being on the current plan. It is just indicative of an actual error occurring. Please address. Now, please fix it. Thank you. What up? What up? I need to fix this email. And alias. Whoa. Oh, is that still part of the thing processing? Okay. Huh. I'm on, what am I on right now? Planner. All right, first let me see if I get that message. This is your current plan. You're already on. If I'm on a cell phone, you're not going to see that if it goes way at the top there. Okay, I guess you figured it out. So let's downgrade. Still working on this all. Oh, that makes sense. Sorry. Let's check it. This can't be optional. Well, we already created the account, I think. Did we? No, yeah, I'm already in the account. Birthday Plus. I'm on the current Birthday Plus plan. Okay. So let's see what happens if I. Hmm, face fingerprint, pin the key. Open. Auto. Camera. Okay. All from a device. It's got a camera. Come on, man. See, even though I got the error message, it processed the payment, quote unquote. Come on, man. Jesus Christ, man. I don't see why it just doesn't automatically. Okay, we're gonna process the payment. After the payment, let's find the logical place on the existing site that that the user should be directed to after payment. Let's try that. Not just assign it blindly a value, a page that may not be there. Why can't we look at the code and you can make a logical conclusion on what page the person should go to after making the payment? A human could do that. It takes a little time, but AI should be able to go through all of the code and figure out exactly which page is 99% most likely to be the one that the user should be directed to. It probably could be 2 or 3 different possibilities. One is the best, and the other 2 might even be someone, the person's preference, the whoever made the site or whatever. Uh, why can't AI just look at the existing code and say, after payment, based on what's here, this is the logical next step, and assign that route or page as best guess instead of blindly making up a page name out of the blue. Lots of these errors should never be encountered. Worst part is Replit AI created all of the pages in the first place. I didn't create the page. So you really should know exactly what page should be next after payment. You're absolutely right. That's a valid frustration. I should have examined the existing routes before making assumptions. Let me look at the code base to understand what the logical flow should be after payment. You're absolutely right, and I apologize for the oversight. AI is dumb, man. Told you in the last video. I know you're listening. That's why I said it. Fix it. You heard it? This is supposed to be an upgrade. All right, then. Oh, was it that simple? Very simple. 999 credits. And we're on that again, huh? 999 credits. How many credits does this plan actually get? Oh, 999 credits. Background removal credits. I don't know. I don't know how many it gets. Can't remember. Yeah, 30 credits. I don't know how we just can't. Does this still work? Just can't let wins. Why you can't let wins accumulate like that? You letting every time something is corrected, something else gets messed up instead of stacking the wins. Can't never stack the wins, but you stacking up the, what is this? You stacking up the background credits though. Almost 1 o'clock. I want to be able to send this off to the guy to use to help him out before I leave. Create your first event. What about my memory? I already created events in this account. What happened to them? All right, let's create an event. The big party is one of a kind. Mm-hmm. On a Tuesday. Please convince. Oh, I'll say, okay. Mm-hmm. Maybe the location. I'll deal with that later. It's on them to put their. They done messed up the whole event creation thing now. Now that doesn't work. Gotta be kidding me. Everything is there. Everything is there. You're logged out. I'm gonna tell you something, Replit. Like I said, I'm not a coder. It's just logic. Some of this stuff, I feel like it shouldn't be encountered, and I can't justify AI not being able to do this better. I mean, the only thing I can think of is it's intentionally not being efficient as it could be or should be in order to jack up usage. There's other. I don't understand. I can't think of another reason why things so simple cannot be automatic and seamless. I just can't think of another reason. Please tell me what's the why are some of these problems encountered that are very surface level, easy for me to think through, and I'm not a coder, and but AI can't do it. I'm asking you a question. I don't know. Please respond. I'm going to invite you on the show to explain what we're doing wrong. What am I doing wrong? I'm going to invite you on the show. Did you forget to add the page to the router? You ain't talking to me. I wasted all day yesterday doing this. I mean, it just shouldn't have, I don't mind dedicated time to it, working on it, trying to learn it, but having to cycle through stuff that should be, it's just one and done is ridiculous. RSVs per event. Nobody doing 2,500 people. This is not a platform for that. Man, this is ridiculous. I know what y'all saying. Oh my God, he's falling apart. He's not going to make it to 100 days. I'm going to make it to 100 days, buddy. I don't know if I'll make it with Replit to 100 days, but I'm going to make it to 100 days. Listen, I'll go broker. If you mean to tell me that all of the, I see you. If you mean to tell me if all of the no code platforms are this bad at logic, then I'll go broker trying to develop one myself. Because I mean, this kind of defeats the purpose right here. When you got to cycle through some of this surface level stuff over and over and over, uh, logic that a non-coder can think through and AI can't get it right in the whole 24-hour period. That's just ridiculous. I can't wait actually to switch and try something else. And this week we're trying something else. This week we're trying. Might as well try Bolt because I got a lot of open projects in Bolt. I think I got two in Lovable, but I got probably more than that in Bolt. It's ridiculous, man. All this stuff was working fine, man. a bypass for development that allow users to select. We don't need a bypass unless you're saying that the problem only exists in development, which development environments are not new. Stripe, it's only Stripe, Cloudinary, all of them are used to development environments. They were created to be used as add-ons, so development environments are natural. Man, I gotta get out of the house. He's falling apart. No, they're falling apart. Oh, I don't have an account. Oh, oh, nice. Look at this. Rack it up, Replit. Rack it up. Rack it up, Replit. Yeah, buddy. Making a killing, ain't you? Me times a million people. Just rack it up. Encounter the error. And just gonna stop the whole working on everything because of it, right? Is that what the error came from? And now what? Is it a bigger problem because of that? Oh, just rack it on up, Replit. Now what? Is the whole app broke? Just rack it up. Explain this. Explain this. Agent encountered an error running. We are investigating the issue. Okay. just got an email. Come on, my usage limit. Didn't I just increase it? Am I capped out? Usage budget $70. What? I don't understand. It's 35. All right, I don't know. Let's keep tabs on what they're doing over here. Where am I at? 82. What did I just set it to? Usage budget 80. Where is it at? Oh, that ain't gonna work, is it? Oh, man, look at this, man. I hate I have to test all this stuff over again, but I don't trust it to not test it all over again, even though the person doesn't need to use this particular part. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. I'm on the free plan. Okay. Oh, that's great time to try it because that is the issue we were having, isn't it? 12 o'clock. Let's see if this works. Thank goodness. Okay, so that doesn't work. Okay. And that doesn't work. Okay. It's not what I need right now. Uh, Preview. Okay. Well, I guess that showed up, so it's not going to work. But let me see, does that work? Create study. Well, it should go to, look at this. Worry about that later too. All right, but this should go to at this point. All right, well, yeah, you're coming from there, so this is fine. But then you get here and you go to create this again. I think this works no problem. Um, when I get here, from here. Oh, I need to. Okay, wait a minute. Wait, let's see. Where am I at? Wait a minute. All right, what are you talking about? Oh man, I got two of these going. I don't know which one I was on. Okay, I got three of them going. I don't know which one I was on. 9 minutes ago. All right, that's the one I was on. Hmm. Let's redeploy this, and I'm going to use the bathroom. PMI. All right, so I'm back. Let me test this again, because if this works, I think I can send it out to be used. All right, let's see what the invite, the preview looks like.
Hello, you're. Hola.
Oh, it added the number. Let me see if that's a. Oh no, that's the name. Nombre. Nombre. What is your nombre? ¿Cómo te llamas? Your nombre? What is your name? Anyway, uh, all right. So that. Oh. Oh. Okay. Should go straight here, but okay. No, they want to see the homepage. Let them see the homepage. No, this does supposed to go straight here. It actually supposed to go straight to create an event page. I guess since we changed everything. But anyway, now let's check this. Cause all right, this is what I needed to check. It's a good thing I did because this is what you'd be signing up under. Oh, did I let it? That's what I want to do. Let it deploy. All right, so that need to be fixed. Where's Replit? Oh, duh. All right, let me be more clear. Uh, they let me sign out. Oh, this is the invite. Okay. Go back to the home page, sign in. Oh, snap. This is the login page. Login, create account page. It's not working. The login, create account page is what is not working. Okay, I got it. This is just 12:30. Hmm. What about your friends? Background removal. Did I ever give it this? Uh, I know I gave it this. We're gonna wait till we get something that's deployable first, and then we're gonna give it this channel. This is extra. We don't need it right now. On ventriloquist. On ventriloquist. On ventriloquist. You can't even see none of this snoozing. You can't even see. You can't even see none of this snoozing. You can't even see none of this snoozing. Snoozing. Can you? Fix it. Rough it. Fix it. Rough it. Fix it. Rough it. We don't have time for this. You dig? I know what you guys are saying. You're saying he should change his video channel over to ventriloquist. He's good at it. I can't even see his nuts snoozing. He should change his channel name over to Always Yarning. He doesn't stop. 24 hours a day. Doesn't matter what time it is. He's always yarning. We need to fix the background and noodle tool and the registry and potluck button. Can you try clicking? Yeah, I'll try it. Thank you so much. Why is the page different? Did you change all of the pages? That's what I got to say. What is this, man? What is this? Not that one. Hmm. Okay, whatever. That was quick deployment. Y'all still here? What y'all doing still here? Yeah, they. Okay. The photos galore. Getting sleepy again, can't you tell? Found it. The welcome text is on the line 68. All right, just fix it, dog. I have to fork this because I'm about to do the ultimate. Make it a PWC. There we go with that. Yeah. Now, why would you do that? Like, why would you jumble it up like this? Why? Why would you jumble it up like this? The idea was to improve it. Put the welcome where the green mark is, please. Adios míos. Thank you. Common sense again. Common sense. Almost wrote common sense, dog. Now let's. Okay, and it made the cards better too. You see? Matter of fact, nah, that's what was pushing that. Still a little. I don't like that. Is the design responsive? All right, y'all. Listen. If you make it here, do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Go to app. That's app. Dot invite. What is it called? Invitero, and create some events and tell me if anything is wrong. If you notice anything wrong with the app. Okay. All right. I appreciate it. It's free. Oh, did I say that? Yeah. Free tier. Go to the free tier, please. Thank you for watching. If you learned anything, like and subscribe and share the video. Why don't you? Hey man, start a YouTube channel and play with this stuff. Choose Replit if you want. If you don't, tell me what you chose and how is it working out.